the Fabricating Center, where we really shine is our stainless fabrications. We sometimes do some engineered platforms, do different railings, staircases. We have 3 full-time welders and fabricators here. We wanted to share with the local community that this is something that we can do and make people aware that they can really get a whole package through TMC, through the welding and fabrication as well as machining and assembly. Very often we'll have a part that has machining on it as well as fabrication, that it just allows us to make parts so much more efficiently, and they just work a lot better together.
We basically get a drawing out on the floor, and I go and find the material, and then we cut it to size, and then from the drawing we fit it up to how it's supposed to be, and then basically you weld and finish it. Anything from mild steel, stainless, aluminum, just some tool steels, or any high-end metal.
And we can either MIG, TIG, or stick weld it, depending on what the project is and what you want us to do with it.
We do a lot of sheet metal parts and a lot of different weldments and a little bit of structural, and we help out the machining side a lot with their projects that need weld here and there.
Basically, if we can fit it in the shop, we'll give it a try. We do a fair bit for local boat companies too. Been able to fix different racking for people, different wake towers. Anything that's metallic, we usually turn out with a really good product.
I just love welding and building stuff, seeing new projects come to fruition. Welding is who I am, and I just love it so much.